guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the part 3 video of the chapter linear equations in two variables. So in this third part we'll be discussing the graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables. That is how to represent an equation in terms of a graph. So firstly I'm taking an example of x plus y equal to 7. So this is the linear equations in two variables. So I need to plot a graph for this linear equation in two variables. So my variables are x and y. So to plot a graph I need points, is it? So to get the points I must consider the solutions of this particular linear equations. The solutions of these particular linear equations are my points through which I can draw the line of this linear equation. So to get the solution of this equation I'll substitute x as 0. So if you take this 0 plus y equal to 7, then y equal to 7. So x comma y, that is a point, is 0 comma 7. So I have got a solution and I'll be taking this as a point to plot the graph. And next thing I'll take it y as 0. So x plus y equal to 7. So x plus 0 equal to 7. X equal to 7. So another solution and another point which I got to plot the graph is 7 comma 0. So 2 points are required. Minimum 2 points are required to plot a graph. So now this is our Cartesian system. So this is 0 and 1, 2, 3 so on. This is the 7 on x-axis and 1, 2, 3 so on. This will be the 7 on the y-axis. So I'll be naming these 2 points as 0 comma 7 as A and for this 7 comma 0 as B. So here I have 7 comma 0. That is I have point B over here and here A 0 comma 7. So I've got 2 points and I'll be drawing the line now. So if I join this and this should be extended. So with the help of the solutions I have got the points. After placing the points I have drawn the line. So the equation for this line is x plus y equal to 7. So in this way we draw the line for the linear equations in two variables. And for verification you can also verify as substituting these points into the equation so that this equation gets satisfied. If the equation gets satisfied, this particular line belongs to this equation. Otherwise, if I say x plus y equal to 5, if I substitute these 2 points, the equation won't satisfy. So this line is the line for this linear equation, not for this. Okay? I hope you have understood. So practice more problems to get more accurate results. Keep on practicing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.